Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mixpanel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Mixpanel project token? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Mixpanel project token anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track different events. And with Mixpanel, you need your project token to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mixpanel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mixpanel account, and this is the home screen. And in order to get your project token here on the top left, first you want to make sure you're working in the correct project. For me, I just have this one project right here. Once you've chosen the correct project, in order to get your Mixpanel project token, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Settings. Once you click there, you're going to click on Project Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here. Make sure you've clicked on Overview. And in order to get your project token, scroll down just a little bit. Okay, once you scroll down, you're going to see the section Access Keys. And here is where you can find your Mixpanel project token. So you can easily just go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Mixpanel project token, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.